This video will explain how they stack up against each other in terms of creating bar charts. So let's start with Excel. To create a bar chart in Excel, you must first select the data you want to include. So here I insert some dummy publication statistic data with the year and number of publication columns. Once the data is selected, go to the Insert tab and select recommended charts from the charts options. Excel will automatically create some chart examples for you. So let's select the clustered column chart for now. You can customize your chart by changing the chart type, adding titles and labels, and adjusting the formatting. Excel also provides many data analysis and filtering options, which can be helpful if you are working with large datasets. Now let's take a look at Origin Pro. I have version 8.5 installed, and you can use your installed one. For ease, let's copy the data from the Excel example. Just adjust the column here. You start by selecting the data you want to include in the chart. You can go to the graphs menu and select bar chart or create a bar chart from the bottom of the window here. Similar to the Excel, you can customize your chart by using the formatting options. You can also add titles and labels and adjusting the formatting according to your choice. Finally, you can export your chart as a graph from the file menu. Export graph option and adjust the export file types and options according to your choice. One of the advantages of Origin Pro is the ability to customize your chart easily. You can change the chart type, add titles and labels, and adjust the formatting using the intuitive interface. In addition, Origin Pro provides more advanced data analysis tools such as statistical analysis, and there are also curve fitting and more advanced tools for scientific applications. In my humble opinion, Excel and Origin Pro are both powerful tools for chart creation, but they have some key differences, and Excel is excellent if your choice is looking for a user interface which is more friendly, and there are some essential data analysis tools. But Origin Pro is ideal for more advanced users who need more sophisticated data analysis and visualization capabilities.